In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an arrow in PowerPoint, a simple yet essential skill that can profoundly enhance the quality of your presentations. Whether you're directing attention to key information or illustrating a point more clearly, arrows can be a powerful visual tool. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. This is your go-to application for creating engaging presentations that captivate your audience. Once PowerPoint is up and running, navigate to the specific presentation where you'd like to add an arrow. If you're starting from a blank slate, feel free to create a new slide for your design purposes. This foundation is important as it sets the stage for where you'll be placing your arrow to ensure it complements the existing content perfectly. With your slide ready, shift your attention to the toolbar at the top of the window, click on the Insert tab. This tab is your gateway to a plethora of elements you can incorporate into your presentation, such as images, charts, and of course shapes. Next, within the Insert tab, you'll find the Shapes option. This is the area where you can explore a variety of shapes that PowerPoint offers to enhance your slides with visual interest and clarity. Clicking on this Shapes button will open a drop-down menu populated with various shapes you can choose from. Here comes the exciting part, choosing an arrow. Within the drop-down, you'll notice multiple arrow designs, each suited for different needs. From straight to curved, broad to narrow, select the style of arrow that you feel best supports your message. Once you've selected the arrow that aligns with your presentation's theme, you're ready to add it to your slide. Bringing the arrow onto your slide is a straightforward process. Position your cursor at the starting point of where you want the arrow to appear, then click and drag across the slide to draw the arrow to the desired length and direction. Feel free to adjust the size and orientation to perfectly fit your content layout. As a final touch, remember you can customize your arrow further by changing its color or line thickness to make it stand out or blend with your slide's aesthetic. A well-placed and designed arrow can significantly improve the comprehensibility and impact of your presentation. And there you have it, a simple sequence to effectively add an arrow in PowerPoint. This feature not only directs the audience's attention, but also helps in structuring information more logically on the slide. Practice this a few times, and it will become second nature, greatly enhancing your presentation's professional and informative appeal. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. Happy presenting!